Give her a push.
Help. You're not helping as much as Lizelle's helping you.
Alright, Lizelle, let's see you push Alyssa up.
Go. Go, Lizelle.
It's like as soon as the video camera comes on, they're like... Alright, Lizelle, give Alyssa a push. Give her pushes. That is too cute.
Good job.
Yay!
Alright, Les, you help Lizelle. Push.
Give her a push.
Come here.
Push her butt.
Come here, push her.
Good job.
Push.
Keep going.
Push. Push her butt up. Push her butt. Her butt. Her butt.
Not her head. Push her booty.
Right here. Push. 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 Push her. Oh, there you go. Good job.
Y'all are too cute.
Alright, Lizelle, Alyssa needs help.
Give her a push. Lizelle, give Alyssa a push. She needs help. Oopsie. She's like really doing it. Get her up there. You did it! Yay! You can't see anything, but you did it. Good job. Alright. Can you say, I love you, Mommy?
I love you.
I love you, Alyssa. Whoa. No, no screaming. Say, I love you, Mommy. Y'all are too sweet. Okay, bye-bye.